Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin, and this is Excite Video Magazine. And today, check that out. That is a 1973 Mach 1 Mustang in Japan. Most of you guys know that I primarily focus on Japanese cars, but I do really like the Mustang. That is probably like the only American muscle car that I'm absolutely 100% in love with. And I used to own a 1969 Mach 1, like I've told you in other videos, like the Fujitsubo tour video, which you can see right here. So when the opportunity presents itself to see a car like this in Japan, of course I've got to take it. This car was super clean on the outside, almost to the point of perfection. Decals, wheels, and tires all fresh and sparkling. The previous generation's influence on the tails is unmistakable, and the gas cap is the same one that I had on my 69. The script logo is also borrowed from earlier generations, and I believe that the shifter is also the same between 65 to 73. They also began smoothing out the roofline on this generation, making the car appear much more streamlined from the side. The 351 badges hint at a 351 Windsor that we will get to in a minute. Many people were admiring this car, but I couldn't get a good front shot. It's kind of hard to see the front here because there's a van in the way. So we'll try to see what we can. Good Lord. That was one of the most welcome interruptions I've experienced in a while. Let's just admire this Japanese muscle for a minute. Now back to the Mustang and its unforgettable pony logo. The windows are down, let's get a look at the interior. This interior is straight 1970s America, with the exception of the dash, which carries a metric-only speedometer. Other JDM-only options include this skyline fender side marker required by Japanese law and front turn signal sourced from a TE27 Corolla. While those bits were JDM, this engine is all American muscle. This car packs a 351 Windsor, the same power plant that was in my 69. I have to admit that I got a little nostalgic looking under the hood of this car. It even had the same flamethrower coil that I was using in my old car. It's nice to be reminded of where you came from. This 73 Mach 1 was a sight for sore eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be back with more cool stuff from car shows in Japan. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, but subscribing is always for you, because that lets you know when the latest videos and the latest giveaways from Japan are coming out. I will see you guys next time. Peace.
Of things we know.